We are grateful to you for your invaluable efforts, what you have done in Turkey. You have saved many lives in Turkey. As you all know, you have experienced actually, we have a great disaster. It is a colossal one, and it affected a wide area. It has affected 14 million in Turkey. You arrived Turkey in the first hours of the disaster, and you were the first one in Adıyaman to start and to inaugurate the search and rescue operations. As I said, you saved many lives.